In this video session, I would like to discuss about the unit number 3 of mechanical measurement subject, and the topic is pressure and temperature measurement. Normally, the pressure and temperature measurement will be carried out in processing industries. Processing industries. In these processing industries, we'll be having several pipelines and pressure vessels. And at various points of the this processing industry skeletal layout, we have to identify the points where we can measure the temperature and pressure. So normally the pressure can be measured with the help of manometers. And Bourdon tube, the pressure can be measured with the help of Bourdon tube, manometers, and so there are two devices with which we can measure the pressure, and the temperature. So these two devices we can discuss for 4 to 5 classes. So manometers 2 classes I can take, Bourdon tube 2 classes I can take. And let us see what is manometer and what is Bourdon tube. Before that, let us see the temperature measurement. For the temperature measurement, we need to measure the temperature of the flowing fluid, or temperature of pressure inside pressure vessels, things like that. So there are different types of temperature devices, that is thermometer and we have thermocouple and thermopile and gas tube thermometer, constant pressure thermometer, and constant volume thermometer. So this temperature measurements we can take 4 to 5 classes. 4 to 5 classes for this temperature measurement. Basically, let us see what we indicate about manometers. Manometer is for example, there is a pipeline, and this pipeline is having a small opening. It is connected to the manometer. The manometer will be in U-shaped things, and there is different types of manometers are also there. The manometer fluid will be there. Normally, mercury will be used depending upon the flow of fluid. We can use different types of manometer liquids. So mercury is normally preferred mercury, and depending upon the height h in the measuring column, we are going to determine the pressure of the flow. That means rho gh. Pressure is equal to rho gh. This is the formula. Rho is the density of the liquid, manometer liquid. These are actually noted. H is the height of it. And there are different types of manometers. Different shapes of manometers are there. So we can discuss yearly several problems, 3 or 4 problems in each class for the different manometers, and we can explain to the students about the concept of measuring the pressure with the help of the manometer columns and different types of manometers you can see. And apart from this, the Bourdon tube. The Bourdon tube is a tube. So, for example, it will be of some tube will be there, and in this tube, this is connected to a pipeline. So the fluid flowing this tube and this one end will be in motion. So here some mechanical linkage will be there, and this is connected to a rotary linkage, and this rotary linkage will make a dial. So this is a board the different so depending on pressure, what is the deflection, depending on the deflection, what is the leverage and what is the angle of deflection. This is what we are going to see in the board. This I think some one class you can take. One class you can take to determine the pressure using board tube, and the formulas also you can derive. Formulas and parameters also you can derive. And thermocouple is Seebeck effect. Seebeck effect is the principle of thermocouple. So when two similar metals are subjected to two different temperatures, then there is a probability of electricity EMF. So this is material 1 and this is material 2, thermocouple material 1 and 2. And this is hot temperature and this is cold temperature, and the EMF will be generated. So depending upon the temperature, the EMF will be measured. So depending upon the EMF, we are going to determine the temperature of the medium. So that is a normal thermometer is a glass thermometer in which you will be having the mercury, and when its temperature senses the data sensing element, it will transmit it expands the liquid, and it expands the mercury, and the mercury level is less, and it will indicate the temperature of the mercury. So the thermocouples and the thermocouples, there are thermocouples are there, and concentration thermometers are there. So here concept like the science and mathematics. Science and mathematics, science laws of science that are involved in these instruments will be explained clearly, and then what is the mathematical laws, mathematical equations that we can develop from this we will be seeing, and based upon mathematics we are going to find out solve problems, formulate some problems, and then solve the problems. And so this is for gas, and normally 2 tutorial classes you can take, tutorial classes. In tutorial classes you can do some problems and measurement and problems and for nanometers or board tube or thermocouple or something like that. Some 4 to 5 problems, 3 to 4 problems in each class. You can give the students will be solving the problems, and they will be doing that. And one class you can go for multiple choice questions, and from these you can generate some 30 to 40 objectives you can determine, and you can discuss this 30 to 40. You can read one by object and ask students to answer, and you can tell the answer, you can explain the concept and things like that. One class you can conduct for multiple choice question, and one test you can conduct, one test. So this test of 20 marks, and the students will be writing this test for half an hour or 40 minutes, and within 10 minutes you can collect the papers and you can do all the things. You can take attendance. So this is what about the unit number 3 of mechanical measurement subject. It is pressure and temperature measurement, and this is what I would like to discuss in this video session. Thank you for watching the video.